Hello, guys. This video will show you how to set your advanced pricing rule. In your DSers dashboard, go to Settings. Unfold Sales Channel Setting and navigate to the Pricing Rule tab. Under Pricing Templates, turn on the button to the right of the store for which you want to activate the pricing rule. Click on the radio button in front of Advanced Pricing Rule to select it. Click the gear icon to the right of the Set Pricing Rules details. In the pop-up, check the formula to learn how to calculate the product price. Under Product Cost Range, fill in cost ranges of products for which you want to apply different price calculations. Under Profit Percent, fill in the profit percentage you desire. Under Fixed Profit, type in a fixed amount added to the product price. Under Minimum Profit, fill in the minimum fixed amount of profit you want to make on a product. Under Break-Even Percent, enter a fixed percentage of the product price to cover all the sale-related fees such as taxes. If you want to include the shipping cost in the calculation, locate Shipping Cost Setting and select the upper radio button to set the shipping cost based on your selected shipping destination and shipping method, or select the lower radio button to enter a fixed shipping cost. To apply the shipping cost, check that Add Shipping Cost checkbox for the cost range of the products that you desire. If you want to display Compared at Price, check the Compared at Price checkbox. Then click on the symbol selector to choose your wanted symbols and enter the value you desire in the next input box. At the bottom right of the pop-up, click Save to create your pricing rule. Click Save. If needed, you can also check the guides in the article to set currency and assign cents. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!